I am Atrey Kandi. I am from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. I am 2020 past batch and I am currently placed in TCS. College days were superb. I did a lot of funny things. I was very mischievous kid. When coming to the my placement part, I started learning from my second year onwards. I started learning my coding language from Hacker Earth and Hacker Rank. Through that, I learned Python and started going towards the technology. So through that, I made my all basics in placement wise. Very good platform for a growth of any individual. Like it allows us to study more regarding to the any technology, and it allows me. It introduces me to the business world. So like how does a business works, or any part of a business in which the technology is required, that how it works. So it introduces me to it. So it provides a great platform. I got selected into the TCS is through TCS digital exam. So for TCS digital, there are total 3 steps. First step is like aptitude exam, in which they will ask like basic logical reasoning, critical reasoning. Those things are there, like main physics, maths, English, which when we will start going for aptitude learning, that time it will be taught. So if we go in internet, if we search, those topics will come. So if we get clear on those topics, it is all good. And one more thing they ask in aptitude is coding. So if you go for coding, like try to learn all the language, not all the language, just one language. Try to learn at least one language and be thorough in that. So it will be very helpful for clearing that. So next comes is our technology round, or you can say technical round also. In that, the main which HR asks for is the your technological knowledge. If you have more technological knowledge, you will be having more weightage. So even okay, let's assume that you don't have technological knowledge or any technology which you don't know. So try to do more projects in your college. If you have more projects in your college time, more weightage. And if you go for a project, so the HR who is present there will ask too much of questions according to your project. Like, and initially when we go for technical round, the main portfolio which we introduce to our HR is the main part. So on the basis of that only the HR will ask us questions. So be clear in what project you are deciding, or which project you are giving to the HR to ask, even though it is a coding language. If you don't know project, like go provide them any matter so that they can ask question. Maybe it is a coding language. I would mainly suggest that in current era, all the current youths are going behind the technological learning. So if I say like they should reduce the technological learning initially and focus main on the coding language development. Since if they know coding language, then it will be more better. And along with the coding language, they should more focus on data structures, because data structures and coding language, they are both combined and provide us the optimized solution in wherever we go for application. So we should focus more on that.